only have 6 hours to evacuate.
Hold on his head, step up! Car! Right now! Come on, kids! Come on, move quick, buckle up! Sorry. Oh, God. Get out of the way! Move it!
Hold on to those eggs, dear.
Come on, you old bags! Tree! God, careful! Everybody hang on! Gotta get to Santa Monica Airport. We'll take the freeway. It'll be half the time. Yeah, right. We gotta get to the other side of the freeway.